10 Smart Money Tips for Beginners. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Or maybe you just want to take control of your financial future, but don't know where to start? Today, we're breaking down 10 smart money tips for beginners, specifically for people in the US. These are simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow, whether you're 18 or 40. Make sure to stick around till the end, because tip number 10 is the one that can completely change your financial life. Tip 1. Track every dollar. You can't manage what you don't measure. For the next 30 days, track every single dollar you spend. Use free apps like Mint, YNAB, or even just Google Sheets. You'll be shocked when you see where your money actually goes. Tip 2. Build a $1,000 emergency fund. Life happens: medical bills, car repairs, job loss. Start by saving at least $1,000 as a starter emergency fund. This is your safety net, so you don't have to use a credit card in a crisis. Tip 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Audit your monthly expenses. Cut things you don't really use, like extra subscriptions or that $6 daily coffee habit. Even small changes can free up hundreds of dollars a month. Tip 4. Understand the 50-30-20 rule. Here's a simple budgeting formula. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt payments. Stick to this, and you'll always know where your money is going. Tip 5. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt like credit cards is a wealth killer. Focus on paying those off as fast as possible. Start with either the snowball method, paying off the smallest debt first, or the avalanche method, targeting the highest interest rate first. Tip 6. Start investing early. The earlier you start investing, the more your money can grow. Even if it's just $50 a month, start now. Begin with index funds, ETFs, or a 401k. If your job offers one, especially if they match contributions, that's free money. Tip 7. Build your credit score. Your credit score impacts everything, from renting an apartment to getting a car loan. Always pay your bills on time. Keep your credit usage below 30%. And avoid opening too many new accounts at once. Tip 8. Live below your means. One simple rule: spend less than you earn. It might not be glamorous, but it's the fastest path to financial freedom. Millionaires are often the people living quietly, not showing off. Tip 9. Keep learning about money. Money management is a skill. The more you learn, the better decisions you'll make. Read books, watch videos like this, or listen to finance podcasts. Think of it as investing in yourself. Tip 10. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers for your savings and bill payments. Automation removes temptation and helps you stay consistent without thinking about it every day. Recap and motivation. Track your spending. Build an emergency fund. Cut waste. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Pay off debt. Start investing. Grow your credit. Live below your means. Keep learning and automate everything. Call to action. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Finan.